Meet the peacock spider, a mesmerizing marvel of the arachnid world. The peacock spider is not a single species but refers to several species within the Maritus genus. Each species has its unique coloration and courtship displays. The vibrant colors of the male peacock spider serve a dual purpose. In addition to attracting mates, these colors also mimic the appearance of potential predators, deterring attacks from birds and other threats. While males are known for their elaborate courtship dances, females play an essential role in the mating ritual. They evaluate the male's display before deciding whether to mate. Peacock jumping spiders are incredibly small, with some species measuring only a few millimeters in length. This makes their intricate courtship displays even more remarkable given their petite size. Peacock spiders have excellent vision. Their large, forward-facing eyes allow them to act